Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be changing out the air filter in a 6th generation Subaru Outback, all right? So what I'm going with here is just the Fram Extra Guard engine air filter. Pick this up on Amazon. I will link this in the description, all right? I think I picked this up for under $20. It's going to take us less than 5 minutes, all right? So where we're going to be working is right here, okay? You can do this or not. I tend to do it, and for this video, I'll do this. It gives you a little more room to work. I'll loosen this here. We're gonna pop this off, all right? These two clasps, you're gonna lift up. You can see it's a little channel it slides into there, all right? And then loosening this just allows me to pop this off, all right? We got this piece off here. So now, as you're looking here, boom. You got your old Subaru air filter popped off. Engine air filter, this thing is filthy, man. It's been a while, all right? All right, so look at that, old, new. Huge difference in how it looks, and honestly even a little bit different in the Fram and the OEM. So this is going to be the top of my air filter. We just want to remember the way your air filter came out. So if you put it backwards, it's going to look really silly. All right, this does not face out. All right, think about it. The air is coming in through here and traveling that way, so you want that filter to catch it first. All right, so boom, I got my aftermarket, not OEM, Fram filter going in place. We got that there. We're gonna pop this right back in here, all right? As you see, there's that channel I was talking about down below. All right, so I've got this reattached to the manifold, right? You're gonna set this back into those little channels below. It's not very difficult, all right? Just line up that part of your box. Make sure everything else looks good to go with your air filter. Push it there, and also don't pull from here because you'll just start to, I mean, you can pull a little, but push down below. Watch this, get my hand out of the way if I can. See that? All right, now look, if I was gonna sit here and pull, this isn't going anywhere, man. You're going this way. So look, kind of pull back a little, just push down. Boom, you're in. All right, so don't forget to tighten this piece down if you took this off. If you disconnected your airflow sensor, reconnect that. I didn't have to, okay? So that's it, man. That's how you change out your engine air filter for another air filter. So make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this with people. Talk to you guys later.